everyone, my name is Sapna and you are watching my village my English. So this is a very special video for the beginners because I am at the beginner level and I know what are the challenges, what are the difficulties you are facing right now and how you can improve your communication skill. In this video I am going to tell you one of the best technique which will help you a lot to improve your communication skill, and I assure you this technique 100% work for you because this technique worked for me, and I assure this technique definitely work for you because at the beginner stage we follow lot of techniques, lot of methods, lot of tips to improve ourselves, but there no doubt all the tips has their own importance to improve you. But at the same time this technique which I am going to tell you 100% work for you. Why I am telling this thing? Because if you use this technique for 1 month you definitely see lot of improvement in yourself and you will feel confidence. The technique is video recording technique, and in this video I just want to talk about the two technique. I think both the techniques are very beneficial for the learner. One is mirror technique and another one is video recording technique, and I will tell you which technique is one of the best technique, video recording technique and mirror technique. As far as mirror technique is concerned, mirror technique help you to build your confidence because if you don't have any partner you just stand in the front of mirror, you just choose a random topic and start talking in the front of mirror. Any expression which comes with expression, you just talk in the front of mirror, you feel confidence in yourself. But the technique that is video recording technique is one of the best technique. Why I am telling this thing to you? Because while recording the video, the same procedure you have to follow which you follow to stand in the front of mirror. In the video recording you also face the camera, and it is one of the difficult part of the human beings life that every person cannot face this camera. Due to this mistake you can say, or due to this problem, a lot of people cannot speak in the front of camera with confidently. Why I am talking to this technique? Because when I started my YouTube channel, or before started my YouTube channel, I just randomly chose an topic and made a video, and after making that video I analyzed the things where I was doing the mistakes. I know still I am doing a lot of mistakes. I know there is no one in this world is perfect. Every person have been working on their own skill. Like other person, I am also working on my this skill. But if you follow this technique, how this technique help you a lot? One thing, you have to choose a topic and sit in front of the camera. This technique help you to build your confidence, boost your confidence, help you to identify your mistakes. Because as a beginner it is difficult for us that where we are doing the mistake. If we stand in the front of mirror, mirror technique help you to build your confidence, but you cannot check your progress. But making video on the camera, you can check your progress, that how much improvement you have done within 1 month, within 1 week, how you are improving your spoken English, your any skill, how that thing is improving. Because to face the camera is one of the challenging tasks for everyone. When you overcome this fear to face the camera, you will see a lot of improvement in yourself. No, still I am sit in the front of camera. There is no one at my home. I am just talking in the front of camera to everyone. I know that I am doing while speaking I have done lot of mistakes, but Because of this technique, I have the confidence to speak. I have the confidence. This technique boosts confidence, lot of confidence in me to talk to other person. Because of this technique, now I am able to talk to anyone, any person in English language. Why? Because no doubt mistakes are the part of every person's life. Mistake help us to improve, but this technique help you to identify your mistake, help you to identify your weak area, identify your lackness, everything this technique help you. And while if you choose, if you follow this technique, within 1 month you feel a lot of improvement in yourself, but one thing that you have to keep in mind, you have to follow this technique within 1 month. After that you can see a lot of improvement in yourself. It's not the thing that you are following, you follow this technique for 1 or 2 days and after that you just skip. No, just make you are sitting in the front of camera, you have to give your 10 to 15 minutes or 2 to 3 minutes, because at the beginning stage to talk in the camera 10 to 15 minutes is one of the difficult tasks. But you can start your video recording from 2 minutes to 3 minutes, or you can start your video recording from 1 minute. Gradually you will see a lot of improvement in yourself, and you will feel lot of confidence, and you will feel lot of happiness. If you like my video, please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for further notification. Thank you very much.